Hi everyone, here we've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the dialer, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on your favorites, recents or your contacts. On all these options we've got this three dots icon, so let's tap on it and click on the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. Now we've got no numbers blocked. In order to add new ones, simply tap on add a number. Let's tap here, and as you can see here, we can manually type the number we want to block. Click on block, and as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, and from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock it, nothing easier, simply tap on this X button right next to it. Click on unblock, and as you can see, it immediately disappears, and it means that it is unblocked. So that's all. This is how to block a number in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.